Alright boys, what is going on? So we're back with another video. I kind of gave up filming the other stuff like with the rest of the teardown. I was just getting aggravated and it was just taking too long, so I just finished it. So now we are officially down to the frame. So I'll show you what that looks like right now. And I'm about to power wash it, get it all cleaned up, get all the diesel and oil and shit off of it. And then we are going to send it to go get it sandblasted. I found a place to just do it. I was gonna do it myself, but it's just gonna cost too much money. So I'm gonna have somebody else do it, and then they're gonna also paint the frame for me. And then as they're doing that, I'm going to start taking apart the axles and trying to get those back together. So this is what it's looking like right now. So everything is basically done. The only thing I really have to do is try to get this stuff off. It's like a tar is where the gas tanks were. It's just to keep them from like rubbing up against the frame, so I gotta figure out those. I feel like overall, hopefully the frame is in pretty decent shape. But other than that, yeah, we're gonna just start getting this stuff cleaned up like this. You can see it all bunked in there, so hopefully the pressure wash will get a lot of that, and then hopefully she'll be ready. I think hopefully next time you see it, there'll actually be paint on it and it'll actually look nice again, and then we can start building it back up from the ground up. So I've already ordered a couple things. I'm thinking about ordering a 4-inch lift for it just because it's like costing about the same as like if I just did stock suspension. So I'm like, that comes with everything, so I can just order one kit and have everything. So I might just do that and just call it good, and then it'll be nice and level too. I can put like 35s on it, so I might do that. Still iffy, but yeah, I think we're basically done with prep finally. Next thing, I'm gonna start import those axles. That shouldn't take me that long, hopefully. I might just sandblast them all and get all the bushings replaced. I think all these are bad. Probably put new calipers on. I don't know about the rotors. I have brand new brake pads. Yeah, just basically get this all cleaned up and ready to go. And then hopefully when we get it back, all these will be rebuilt, ready to go, and I can just slap them right on the frame. I'll be a roller again. Alright boys, that's just gonna end the video. This was a super quick video. I just didn't really have much to post, and I don't know, I wanted to show you how the frame looked before I just kind of started getting everything else. So this is the ending. Here's a little glimpse right now of like how the frame came out. I think it came out really great. I show you a little bit of the pitting that the frame had, because obviously there was a lot of rust on there, so there was some pitting in there. I mean, I don't think it's really too crucial, but that was the worst of it, and I believe it's from where the gas tank was sitting. A lot of the water probably like just kind of piled in on there, and then eventually just started like rusting it out. So that kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a super quick one. I promise the rest of the videos are going to be a lot better. During this time of like filming, I really was just like wanting to just get things done, and I wasn't really taking the time to really like film quality videos. A lot of the other videos, like towards once we start getting things back together, they're going to be a lot more quality. So just kind of like bear with it and just stick through it, and I appreciate the support. We are almost at 600 subs right now, so I'm very grateful for that, and I'm very excited. I officially just monetized, so that feels really good too. Yeah, I don't really know where else to go with this video. Not really much to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys really start watching the rest of the build. So peace out guys. I'm going to start posting the ST content next. So next video you'll probably see ST stuff, and then I'm just still like backlogging all the other truck videos that I got. I have so much that it's filmed, I just haven't edited it. Just life gets in the way, you know, and I just keep looking at the videos and I'm not very happy with the quality of them, and I just don't want to roll them out. But I've been doing this project, so I feel like I need to, so I'm just going to keep rolling them out and just kind of bear with them, and I'm going to try to improve the quality of the rest of the videos. So hopefully after we get through the prep stuff and you start seeing it rebuild, the quality of the video is just going to go a lot higher. So just bear with that. I appreciate the support.